Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to student rank in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that student rank from the Google Sheets. Now click for the ranking option. Now keyboard press equal. Then type from the rank and press the first bracket and select from the mark option. Now for comma, then select from the wall mark option. Now first bracket close, then type from the enter. That's it. Now click for the ranking option, then mark the wall ranking option. Now click for the OK. That's it. Then I show the student rank in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.